Okay, so hopefully this picks up pretty good. But in this question, it's asking you to try to determine what is the magnitude of the voltage for the exhaust gas temperature sensor. And there's two parts to this. The first thing you got to do is you got to figure out what the total resistance is for the sensor at 250 degrees. So at 250 degrees, you go over here to your chart. And at 250 degrees on this line right here, you see that the resistance of the sensor is 2,125 ohms. So when you take that and you put that in the equation, 2,125 ohms, that means the total resistance for this calculation is going to be 2,125 plus 1,000, which is just 3,125. Then you have to determine what the current is. They don't tell you what the current is in this equation, so we have to use Ohm's law for that. So to do that, you would simply take Ohm's law and do the calculation. You'd use voltage equals I times R. In this case, we know that R is 3125. I we don't know. Voltage we do know. We know it's 5 volts. We want to know what I is. So we divide both sides by 3125. So 5 divided by 3125. And when you do that, you end up that 5 divided by 3125 comes out to 0.0016 when you do the math on that. And of course, I just plugged that in the calculator. So then you can go back over here and determine what the voltage drop would be across the sensor. So you're trying to figure out what the voltage is. So you leave V alone. You take the I you just calculated, 0.0016, times the resistance of just the exhaust gas sensor, which the resistance of the sensor at 250 degrees is 2125. 2125. And when you do the math on that, 0.0016 times 2125, it comes out to 3.4 volts. And of course, if you type that in, if it'll let me do it, 3.4 volts, and I check it, it says that's right. So we're good to go.